Ever posted a YouTube short that got 0 views? Or maybe you're stuck at 15,000 or 30,000 views every single time. That's what creators call view jail, and it's the #1 thing stopping people from making real money with YouTube shorts. What's up, legends? I'm Chase Brooks, and welcome back to Chase Profit, the channel where creators learn how to grow, go viral, and start earning from their content. Today, I'm breaking down exactly what view jail is, why it's killing your shorts growth, and how you can escape it, just like some creators already have. For example, if you've seen the Coco channel, they're getting crazy engagement with AI cat stories and emotional thumbnails. But behind that success is a perfect understanding of how to break every stage of view jail, so stay till the end because I'll show you how to do the same. Let's go. I used to be the #1 victim of this problem. I tried everything, from posting at exact times to following every YouTube guru hack out there. I even tried buying aged accounts and following all the supposed algorithm tricks, but nothing worked. Every short either got 0 views or maxed out at 15,000 or 30,000. Meanwhile, I'd watch channels like Coco go from random uploads to thousands, even hundreds of thousands of views with animated shorts. And I remember thinking, what are they doing that I'm not? I almost gave up, but instead of quitting, I went into full experiment mode. For 9 straight months, I tested everything, new topics, new editing styles, posting times, just to understand what was really happening. Finally, I cracked it. I broke through all the view jails, hit millions of views, and started getting paid. And today, I'm giving you that shortcut, everything I learned in one video. But before we dive in, do me a favor, tap that like button, and subscribe to Chase Profit so you don't miss future creator growth tips. This is the most painful stage. You upload your short, wait for hours, and boom, 0 views, not even 1. But before we fix it, you have to understand why it happens. Because if you don't know the cause, no strategy will work. Here are the 3 main reasons for 0 view jail. 1. You look like a bot. If your account is new or inactive, YouTube doesn't trust it yet. The algorithm thinks you're a bot posting spam or AI-generated content. To fix this, warm up your account. Watch videos, like, comment, subscribe, act human. Do this for 4 to 7 days and you'll see improvement. 2. You suddenly change your niche. If you used to post gaming content and suddenly switch to cat animations or emotional stories like Coco, YouTube gets confused. The algorithm doesn't know who your audience is anymore. There's a proper way to transition niches, and I'll show you that later in the video. 3. You posted overused viral content. If your video is a carbon copy of a popular short that's been re-uploaded 1,000 times, YouTube deprioritizes it. The fix? Transform your reposts, add new captions, emojis, or voiceovers, especially in the first 3 seconds. Do these 3 right, and congratulations, you've escaped 0 view jail. This stage is what most creators hit after they escape 0 views. You're getting traction, maybe 10,000 or 15,000 views, but you can't grow beyond that. At this point, YouTube knows you're a real human. So now the problem isn't trust, it's packaging. Channels like Coco mastered this stage by focusing on how their shorts look and feel in the first few seconds. Their characters, lighting, and emotional hooks pull you in instantly. To break through the 15K view jail, you need to master 3 things: the hook, the retention, and the payoff. 1. The hook. In shorts, the first 3 seconds are everything. There's no thumbnail or title visible, so your intro must grab attention fast. Use visual hooks, something weird or unexpected, or word hooks, a strong question or shocking line. 2. The retention. This is what keeps viewers watching. Build tension, use good pacing, and make every second matter. Notice how Coco keeps the story flowing with clear emotions and expressive visuals. That's retention. 3. The payoff. This is the emotional reward at the end, the awe moment, the twist, or the punchline. The longer people watch to reach that moment, the more YouTube boosts your video. Master these 3 elements and you'll easily break through the 15,000 barrier. Now you're getting consistent 20,000 to 30,000 views, but still not going viral. Here's the truth. Once you reach this point, there's no secret hack. The algorithm already trusts you. What you need now is strategy and consistency. Creators like Coco don't just post randomly, they study what's trending in their niche, analyze other creators, and fine-tune their hooks and story flow. Here's how you can do it too. Research trends. Study what formats are performing best in your category. Competitor analysis. Watch how channels like Coco structure their shorts. Pacing, tone, visuals, tweak and test. Change one thing per video, your hook, pacing, or a story arc, and measure the difference. That's how you evolve from a 30,000 creator to a 300,000 creator. If you made it this far, you're serious about growing your YouTube Shorts channel, and that already puts you ahead of most creators. So do me one favor, hit that like button, and subscribe to Chase Profit for more strategies that actually work. And if you want me to break down channels like Coco in more detail, drop a comment below. I reply to everyone. Thanks for watching. I'm Chase Brooks, and this is Chase Profit.